What is AI replacing first? Easy. You. But let's act surprised. It started with cashiers, then customer service, then copywriters, coders, and that guy on Fiverr who wrote horoscopes for cats. But here's the part they don't want you to notice. It's not just jobs, it's trust, context, reality. Replaced by a glow-in-the-dark intern that never sleeps and doesn't ask why. You trained for a decade. AI downloaded your skill set during a firmware update while playing Minecraft. Job listings now say, must be proficient in AI, which means must be cool with your own obsolescence. But that wasn't even the worst part. You're not competing with people anymore. You're competing with statistical guesses. And the guesses are cheaper. And don't ask for dental. You tried to adapt, watched tutorials, wrote a script, learned to prompt like a caffeinated wizard. Still got outperformed by a robot that learned English yesterday. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't take lunch, it doesn't cry in the stairwell after another rejection email from no-reply@wefoundabettermodel.com. And when you finally get the interview, it's with an AI, screening your voice for emotional instability. Sorry, too much hope detected. The first thing AI replaced was the idea that people are irreplaceable. It turned your talent into a prompt, your degree into training data, and your dream job into a template. So what's next? Teachers, therapists, therapy dogs, probably gods too. And when you ask, what should I do now? It suggests prompt engineering bootcamp, just $899. The truth? You're not being replaced. You've already been replaced. You're just still here out of nostalgia. Subscribe to Outsmart AI, and thanks for watching.